In the Uber Eats Manager platform, you can create multiple menus and set them to different times of the day. Creating multiple menus helps to differentiate your offerings if you have time-limited specials or separate menus for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Here's how to update your menu hours and add new menus. Navigate to the Menus tab and select the menu you want to modify. Determine when customers can view your menu by adjusting the menu availability. For example, set your breakfast menu to only show between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. Monday to Friday. You can also pause your menu to temporarily hide it from customers. Hit Save and changes are reflected instantly. To create a new menu, click the New Menu button located on the top right and fill in the details. Once the new menu is created, you can add items and manage it normally through the Overview tab. Creating multiple menus helps to differentiate your offerings if you have time-limited specials or separate menus for breakfast, lunch and dinner.